Salamat sa inyong mabiyabinong o mainit na pagtanggap sa akin. At thank you for giving time for me this afternoon. Alam kong madaming kasabay at maraming nangyayari ngayon dito sa lalawigan at lugar ng Cebu, Cebu City, Mandaue City. But still you're here. I'm here to join the indignation rally tonight with President Rodrigo Duterte at kasama ang Hakbang ng Maisog, and I believe some of my teammates in Team Suka, yung mga Duterte approved and certified senatorial candidates will be joining. Others I think in person, and others will just be sending their video greetings. And we are one with the people of Cebu in expressing their indignation and in the strongest term possible in condemning the many abuses, both yung human rights at I specifically yung pag-abuso sa paggamit ng pera ng mga Pilipino. At mainit na mainit din pinag-uusapan yung ating isinampang petition for certiorari and prohibition sa Korte Suprema, asking the court to declare as null and void, illegal, immoral, unlawful, invalid, unconstitutional itong 2025 budget na nakitaan natin ng napakaraming blank items sa final approved, ratified, signed and filed bicameral conference committee report na siyang nagiging basihan at pundasyon ng ating taunang budget. Of the 28 items that were left in blank, halos 241 billion pesos po ang halaga ng mga blankong yan. Kaya natin sinasabing unconstitutional because, as you know, it would be very difficult for the present administration, the Marcos administration, to come to the figure of having a 6.3 trillion pesos budget kung meron 28 items na blanco at meron 241 billion pesos na halagang nawawala. Paano ka nagkaroon ng sumang 6.3 trillion pesos budget for 2025. Lagi kong ginagamit na halimbawa, ang grade 1 student, tanungin mo 1 plus 1, sasagutin ka, tama ito, 2. Tanungin mo ng 2 plus 2, sasagutin ka, 4, tama pa rin. Pero kahit kayong magagaling at veteranong journalista at periodista, pati yung mga membro ng tinatawag natin yung media ngayong hapon sa kwartong ito, tanungin ko kayo, 3 plus blank, mahirap sagutin yan. Pero yan ay nasagot ng ating mga mambabatas. Sa kung paano paraan, yan yung ating inaalam dahil nakita natin, ipinakita natin na blanco yung final approved, ratified, and signed bicameral conference committee.